All right, special thanks to this company for sending us the rechargeable flashlight gloves. Yes, as you can see from the picture, these recharge and have little LEDs on the thumb and on the finger to where when you're trying to reach down and get something for a car part or something like that, you could see a little better. So this is one pair, one size fits most, and it's a cool and practical gift. Detachable, washable, nothing over there. Cool gadgets, nothing there or there, and then there's kind of another photo of it. So let's open it on up, see exactly what we're working with here. One glove, two gloves, carrying case. So that's it for the box. So we got a little user's manual here, so that's helpful. USB-C charging cables, so that's great to see. It means it's, you know, something that a lot more people have, and it looks like, put these on, just loosen that. Oh, so that's why it's one size fits most. It's not even like a full glove. Look at that, that's ingenious. So your little charging port is here on the side, and it is covered with rubber, so it's a little protected. And there you go, very nice. Just on and off. Very simple. You do get one for each hand, of course, and wow, that's something else. That's really, I mean, I could see this being very helpful for a lot of people. Anybody who does a lot of work could use something like this trying to put in a screw. It gives you that light right there at the place where you're trying to put it in. I'm really kind of blown away. These are very, very nice. So again, thanks to the company for sending these to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.